Hello, welcome to the next tutorial about Etude number 17, written by Hrabe. This one is a very romantic, very peaceful melody etude. It is written in quite a slow tempo, andante, and mostly we're going to focus here about bow changes and leading the bow on the string. Again, I divided this etude into several sections, which you can see on the score, and we will start with section A. The first thing that it is nice to do to follow the instructions written here by Hrabe is to start in piano dynamics. Very useful to this will be playing in the lower part of the bow. Now you can ask why. Because on the last three notes of the first bar we have a crescendo. And to play this crescendo quite effortless, we're gonna simply use more and more bow, but still please remember that on the last note we have to go back to the frog, because the first note of the second bar is a very long note, especially in this tempo, and it would be nice to have a whole bow to play it. So please take a look now at my right hand. You can notice two other things as well here. First one was as my left hand goes down towards the bridge, the same thing does the right hand. So when I was playing here in the thumb position, I stayed closer to the bridge than I was when I was beginning this etude. There are two more things that I would like to show you. First one is how to perform vibrato in a thumb position. My idea, taken from other excellent bass players that I could talk to, is to put the whole weight of your left arm on the thumb, so which makes easier for you to release the tension of the fingers. So it gives you an opportunity to play very kind of a slow but very nice wide vibrato instead of playing like this. It is very hard to play vibrato for me in this situation, because my left hand and fingers as well are kind of stretched. So when you're going to play this part, please pay attention. If you will go to thumb position, to put all your weight of your left arm on the thumb, and make the rest of your fingers quite loose. The next thing that I would like to do, and I do a lot honestly, I would not play harmonic here on the G note. Why is that so? Because for me, when I'm playing such a kind of a cantilena here, I would like to keep the same color of every note. Now I will show you two examples. Now I'm going to play it with the harmonic here under my thumb. This note is a kind of a flat, and there is nothing I can do about the color, because I cannot press it, I cannot use the same color that I was using before. Now I'm going to play this note with my thumb pressing the string towards the fingerboard, and then when I'm going to play the last note, I will use the first finger, so the note is again with the same color and I can use some vibrato on it. the last thing is a very interesting technique how to shift before I'm going to play the last note. Please pay attention what I'm going to do with my thumb. I shift my thumb before I play the last note. It gave me a stability during the shifting and the confidence that I will shift my first finger exactly where I want.